Howdy everybody, welcome back. Today we'll be replacing this Hunter Pro C controller with the new Hunter X2 controller. So let's get started. I did use a bit of a bigger screw because the other one that they provided with this broke, and this holds it a lot better. But I did use one of the regular screws right here. So yeah, let's go ahead and wire this in once I finish bolting that in. So now all that's left to do is to plug it in and wake it up for the first time. As you can see, the screen is backlit, which is a super nice touch. So I'm going to do a quick test. I'm going to run Zone 5, run it for 2 minutes, just to see if everything is working properly. Everything should be the same as it was on the old controller if I wired it correctly. So, let's go. So yeah, it's working. Yep, everything is working spectacular. Alright, here it is, all set up. The time is correct. Program A, which is the planter bed, starts at 6 p.m. Zone 1 and 2 and 5, which is actually in the Northwoods Trail up there, runs for 30 minutes, and then plant beds run for 15 each. Program B is the lawn. Starts at 5:30 a.m. and then starts from 3 to 11, skipping number 5. This one goes every day for the lawn, then 4 days a week for Program A plant beds. Yep, there you go.